was a family that lived on the Isle of San Sebastian a long, long while. The head of the family was a Holland man, and the younger brother, his name was Ran.
Woe a me, shame and sorrow for the family. Woe a me, shame and sorrow for the family.
The Holland man, he kept in a tower, a wife as pretty as a big white flower. She saw the brother and she stole his heart, and that's how the badness and the troubles part.
Woe a me, shame and sorrow for the family. Woe a me, shame and sorrow for the family.
The wife and the brother, they want to go, but the Holland man, he tell them no. The wife fell down and the evil came, and it burned her mind in the fever flame.
Woe a me, shame and sorrow for the family. Woe a me, shame and sorrow for the family.
Her eyes are empty and she cannot talk, and the nurse has come to make her walk. The brothers are lonely and the nurse is young, and now you must know that my song is sung.
Woe a me.